Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing the Jerry 1963 hot dog stand. So if you don't know what that is, it is basically a story about a man named Jerry in 1963 from New York. So he ran a hot dog stand in New York, and his hot dogs were not just famous, they were sensational. So people would flock over his hot dogs, they were very, very delicious. Now, the police actually caught wind of this and seemed to be very suspicious, since people have cited him doing shady things. So, as you can see here on Reddit, there isn't any image, so since the user deleted it, there isn't a lot of information about this story since it has all been deleted online. So, I would advise you to do some more research before believing in this story, since to make the long story short, he actually sold. That's why it was so delicious, because he apparently, quote unquote, sold human meat, since he had a huge incinerator in his lair. So that's where inside the incinerator there are a lot of men's clothes. So he would actually incinerate them and turn them into hot dogs. So that's actually a very disturbing story. However, I would advise you to go with this with a lot of skepticism, since there isn't any evidence for this to be true. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.